Ever wondered how much digital space the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro offer? These latest offerings from Apple are more than just sleek and shiny gadgets. They are powerhouses of storage, designed to accommodate your digital world, from photos and videos to apps and games. So, how much can they really hold? What's the difference between the two when it comes to storage? Are they worth the hype? Join us as we delve into the storage capabilities of these two tech giants. First, we'll cast our lens on the iPhone 15, a marvel of modern technology. This device is more than just an aesthetically pleasing gadget, it's a powerhouse of storage capability. Let's delve into the storage space of the iPhone 15. Apple continues to set the bar high, providing a range of storage options to cater to various user needs. The iPhone 15 comes in 3 different variants: 64 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, and a whopping 512 gigabytes. The 64 gigabyte model is perfect for those who primarily use their phone for communication and light media consumption. On the other hand, the 256 gigabyte model is a sweet spot for many. It offers ample room for a good number of apps, photos, and videos, without you having to worry about running out of space too soon. For the power users out there, the 512 gigabyte model is a dream come true. This variant is ideal for those who handle heavy media files, game a lot, or just like to keep their entire digital life within their pocket. However, keep in mind that with larger storage comes a larger price tag. It's essential to balance your storage needs with your budget. The iPhone 15 certainly packs a punch in the storage department, but how does the iPhone 15 Pro compare? Stay tuned. Now, shifting our focus to the iPhone 15 Pro, a device that promises more power and, of course, more space. This powerhouse of a phone is not just about the camera or the processing speed, it's also about the storage. The iPhone 15 Pro comes with a variety of storage options to cater to your needs. For those who enjoy the simple pleasures, the base model offers a generous 128 gigabytes. This is ample space for your daily apps, a modest photo library, and a few dozen hours of video. But maybe you're a power user, someone who needs more. For you, Apple offers a 256 gigabyte model, doubling your storage. This is perfect for those with a larger photo and video library, or those who enjoy having an extensive collection of apps. For the true tech enthusiasts, there's the 512 gigabyte model. This is a vast digital playground, allowing you to store a library of high-resolution videos, thousands of photos, and virtually unlimited apps. And finally, for the professionals, the iPhone 15 Pro has an unprecedented 1 terabyte model. With this, you can store professional-grade videos, high-resolution photos, and an extensive app library without breaking a sweat. Each option has its benefits but also potential drawbacks. More storage means a higher price tag, and not everyone needs a terabyte of space. The iPhone 15 Pro offers an impressive array of storage options, but how do these two phones compare head-to-head? Now that we've explored both devices, it's time to put them side by side. The iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro offer distinctive storage options, each designed to cater to a variety of user needs. The iPhone 15 comes with 3 distinct storage variants: 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, and 256 gigabytes. This range provides flexibility for users who require less storage space, perhaps for those who primarily use cloud services or don't store a lot of media on their devices. On the other hand, the iPhone 15 Pro takes it up a notch. It starts at 128 gigabytes and goes all the way up to a whopping 1 terabyte. This is ideal for users who require more local storage for large files, high-quality photos, videos, and extensive app libraries. In essence, the iPhone 15 Pro offers a higher storage ceiling than the iPhone 15. However, this doesn't necessarily make it superior. The choice between the two will largely depend on your personal requirements. If you're a casual user, the iPhone 15 might be more than enough. But if you're a power user or a professional who deals with large files and media, the iPhone 15 Pro could be your best bet. In the realm of storage, both the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro have their strengths. Your choice will ultimately depend on your specific needs. Thanks for joining us in this deep dive into iPhone storage.